Welcome to Groove 3's You Produce tutorial series. My name is Morgan Potruff, and I'll be your instructor for this course. In this particular installment, we'll be making a Marshmello-inspired track featuring the vocals of Toronto-based artist Dylan Cohen. As usual, we leave no stone unturned. We're going to build the arrangement and sound design of the song from the ground up, walking you through the creation of every sound, using a variety of different techniques. And later, we'll go through and we'll tweak the mix, we'll EQ, compress, and saturate our way to a pro sound, full of marshmallowy goodness. And best of all, we're using mostly either stock plugins, free plugs, or really common stuff practically everybody has. Pretty well, no matter what genre of electronic music you happen to be in, or where you are in your journey as a producer, we're confident you'll find this worth your time. So strap yourself in, get yourself comfortable, and let's get those wheels rolling.
You ain't a cog in this wheel. You ain't a cog in this wheel. You ain't a cog in this wheel.